So friends, let's see how to make this delicious and healthy Goan boiled rice. So here is the boiled rice. I had recently gone to Goa and the Mapsa Friday market and I picked up this lovely boiled rice. I'll tell you about it as we go with the recipe. So here I'm cooking just 1 cup of it right now. It's enough for 2 people. So I'm going to wash this rice really well. So when you wash it the first time, you get this real brownish color water. So wash it really nicely, thrice underwater till you get some clear water. So we had gone to the Mapsa market, my husband and me. We had gone to Goa for some housework, and the Mapsa market is amazing. And there was this old Maushi sitting over there and selling the rice. And can you guess? I got 2 vatos only for 60 rupees actually. And she was telling me, take 4 vatos, buy, take 4 vatos. I'm saying, what am I going to do with 4 vatos? We don't eat so much of rice. Of course, this is very, very healthy. And the taste is also so amazing. So maybe next time when I go, I will bring some more rice. But so now I'm going to just soak the rice in 3 cups of water for 10 minutes. So this is how the Goan boiled rice looks like, and it's really very delicious. And now after soaking it for 10 minutes, I'm just going to drain all this water. Now I've kept 3 cups of water to boil, and I'm going to add this rice to this water. Oh, the Mapsa market is so amazing. I bought some tamarind, I bought some amsol, I bought trifara, I bought so many other things, and I wanted to buy so much more, but then carrying everything back. Okay, now I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of salt and just stir the salt into the rice. And now you want to boil the rice on a low to medium flame for about 10 minutes and just stir in intervals. And she was telling me, rockret, shista, and really it got ready so fast. I thought it'll take a real long time to cook. And within about 10 minutes, my rice was all ready. So you can just touch the rice and press it and it should be nice and soft. And now I'm just going to strain this on my colander. And don't throw out the water. I remember my Nana, she used to have this, sip on this water. I think it's full of nutrients. So I'm going to try it out. And there you go, and boiled rice is all ready. So I'm going to have this with some fish curry and some pickle and some fried fish and of course some balcha which I got from Goa too. So I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. So if you go to Goa, don't forget to pick up this boiled rice and make it and leave your comments about how you like it in the description box below. I'll catch you soon, guys.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.